Diversifying your wealth in various stocks was logical before 2009. Diversifying your wealth in various forms of money is very foolish. Before Bitcoin, the world only had bad forms of money. The dollar was portable, but not scarce. Gold was semi-scarce, but not portable. Neither were auditable, and their future supply was both inflationary and mostly unpredictable. An ideal money would be one that is portable over the internet, perfectly scarce, auditable, and has the least amount of future uncertainty. Since we did not have that superior form of money until 2009, most people save wealth in a diversified portfolio of stocks. Before Bitcoin, this diversification strategy was logical. Even the best investors and hedge funds in the world have a difficult time beating the S&P 500. Why? Because markets are relatively efficient and nobody has too much of an edge when it comes to picking out which companies will outperform all of the others. There are simply too many future unknowns. This leads to passive index funds being the best risk-adjusted way to save before Bitcoin. However, now that Bitcoin exists, some people are taking the same diversification strategy to Bitcoin and more broadly crypto. But monetary tools are not like stocks. Companies have a lot of future uncertainty and they must continue executing quarter after quarter. This is very difficult and impossible to predict over the long run. Monetary tools, on the other hand, should have little future uncertainty. In fact, a feature of money is exactly how little future uncertainty there is. Unlike stocks, you can objectively evaluate monetary tools, and so can all of your peers. It's not a subjective opinion. Also, unlike stocks, economic systems converge on one best monetary tool. The whole point of money is to find one best common tool for savings and trade. Money solved the double coincidence of wants. You need to save the money that everyone else will save. If you hold the second best monetary tool, everyone else has the incentive to cash out of the second best monetary tool for the first best monetary tool. Because the purpose of money is to hold the one best tool for savings and trade. So diversifying your Bitcoin position into crypto is foolish. Economic systems converge on one best money, and Bitcoin is objectively the best money because it is portable over the internet, perfectly scarce, easily auditable, and has the least amount of future uncertainty. All other cryptos have more future uncertainty, more centralization, and lack auditability compared to Bitcoin. Crypto tokens usually get big because there is a large centralized group marketing it, in which case this is by definition worse than Bitcoin, or they're just a joke meme coin that people are gambling on. If someone tried to replicate Bitcoin with no pre-mine, no centralized marketing group, and no planned future major changes to the code, then nobody would adopt it because nobody would know about it. It's a massive catch-22. Recreate what makes Bitcoin special, and nobody cares because they can already buy Bitcoin and its superior network effects. Or create a more centralized coin and try to sell it to people as the next Bitcoin. This may work in the short term, convincing people to invest, but it makes for a terrible long-term money. The best money is Bitcoin. There is no second best.